Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the series JavaScript. Okay, last video we saw about alerts. This video we are going to see about operators. Okay, so operators plays a very important role in a lot of things. Okay, so for example, there are a lot of operators, right? Comparison operator, logical operator, arithmetical operator. So there are a lot of operators, right? In all the languages we use, right? For example, Java, C Sharp, right, or Python. In lot of right other languages we use operators. Okay, so in JavaScript also we'll see some basic operators so that it might be helpful. Okay, let's start. Okay, I've already created right. I'll create one file. Right, I'll new file. Okay, I will name it as operators dot js. JS stands for JavaScript. Okay, I'll name it as right. I'll put in folder and name it as operators.js. So it's going to right create a JavaScript file. Okay. Now what I'll do is right. I'll write initialize it right with the help of a let keyword. Let a equal to 20. Okay, and let b equal to sum 10. Okay, so now I need to print it. Okay, I'll write console dot log. Okay, now first we'll see a very basic operator a plus b. Okay, so add. Okay, a plus b, so plus is an operator. Okay, so if I print it, it should add that to values, right? So it's printing 30. Okay, this is called as an additional operator. Okay, let me go with subtract. Okay, I'll put console.log, copy and paste it. I'll put minus, so it's going to write minus it. Okay, 20 minus 10, 10 it should print. Okay, so this is subtract. Okay, now let me divide it. Okay, so let me divide it. Okay, I'll again put console.log a slash b is going to divide. Okay, now if I print it, it should divide 20 by 10. It should give 2. Right, next we'll put right multiple. Okay, multiply the table, right? Console dot log a star b. Okay, now if I print it, it should 20 into 100, it should print 200. Okay, now if I run it, it's giving 200. Okay, now let me go to another operator, modulus operator. Okay, console.log a right slash b or a divide b, it gives the remainder of that. Okay, so it's right, it gives us the prints the remainder. Okay, remainder is 0. Okay, now let me go to next operator, power. Okay, so it gives the power of, okay, a star b. Okay, if I print it, what happens? Okay, it gives the power of 20 in this power of 10. Okay, it gives the value of that. Okay, so power of 10. Okay, now so these are all the basic operators. Okay, let me go for another operator, comparison operator also. Okay, so now let me write initialize the right. I'll comment it. Okay, then what I'll do is right, I'll use the same thing. Okay, console dot log. Okay, a is greater than b. Okay, so it checks a is greater than b. Okay, if I run it, right, it is false. Okay, A is not greater than B because A value is 20 and B is 10. If I opposite, right, if it is greater than, check greater than, it should print true, right? So if I run it, it prints true. Okay, and I can also tell, yeah, right, give other right comparison operators also. A greater than equal to B, true. Okay, next one is right, A, if I give A equal to 2 and B equal to 10, if I run it, it should give false. Okay, now right, let us try with not equal to. Okay, let us try with the not equal to operator. Equal to, not equal to. Okay, A not equal to equal to B. Okay, let me try it. Yes, it's true, right? It's not equal to B. Okay, if both are 10, what happens? It should print equal to, right? If false, if I give both, right, if I give A 10 and B 10, if I run it, it should give false. Okay, so this is how we can play with the right comparison operators. Okay, so the next one is right. Ah, next one we'll go for next one. I will command this one, A equal to B. Now I'll give A plus plus. Let's go for an increment operator. Okay, suppose right, A is 10. If I give A plus plus, what happens? It increments, right? Now if I print A, what happens? If I run, it should give 11. Okay, it prints 11. So we can increment with the help of the JavaScript also. So if I give minus minus, what happens? It should print 9. Okay, same thing you can play with the B also. Okay, so all these things are different operators that can be used in the JavaScript. Okay, so hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you soon in the next part of the video. Have a nice day. Bye.